Hey everyone, so this is Abhishek Raj, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make games using JavaScript. And why I'm making a video on this topic because I recently got this comment on one of my old videos to make video on this topic. And if you also want to suggest me some ideas, then drop me comment instantly. Don't think about it. So no, I was thinking about making the game from scratch and show you live how to make games. But no, these 2 days was quite stressful for me, and I won't comment publicly. But if you know, you know. So anyway, so I had this game already created in my college days. So I will be explaining how it works. I will be showing you live, and I will be also explaining the whole code, how it works, and everything. So, without wasting any time, let's just start. So, yeah. Okay, so I think you can see my screen now, and I'm using OBS here. I will just open my old code, which is on my GitHub repo. Just a minute, let me open it. So, and also, yeah. So just ignore my photo here. It is quite old. Yeah. So this is the repo. You can also check out the link here. Uh, it is on my GitHub, and this is the working link. I will just open it. So it is a game about Minesweeper. If you have, like if you are a millennial like me, or Gen Zs. Okay, so let's not talk about it. So yeah, so if you have used some old Windows laptop or computer, then you might have seen this game Minesweeper. And I too didn't know how to play this game, but I will just explain it a little bit. So, you have mines all over around, and you have numbers. So, like this number denotes how many bombs are adjacent to this cell. So you can see one bomb is just near this cell. Three bombs are near this cell. Zero bombs are around this cell. I'm not talking about diagonally. I'm just talking about left, right, up, down. You can see two bombs are adjacent to this cell. So you are getting it how it works. So you can like decrease the column. It works. It does not works perfectly, but anyway. So uh, you are getting now. Yeah. Okay. So just a minute. Don't know why I'm not. I just want to lose. Yeah. Okay. So now, how it works. So you can decrease and increase the rows and columns, and you can decrease and increase the difficulty. On the easy difficulty, you see less bombs, and on the toughest god mode, you see the highest amount of bombs here. So I'll just explain it to you how it works. I will just open the code editor, which comes with the GitHub app. So okay. Yeah. I think my internet is a little bit slow because I am streaming my video directly from my phone to my laptop. Anyway, I think it is open now. So it is a React app. So if you don't know React, don't panic because I'll be explaining the plain old JavaScript way, not the React way. Because the game is built on built using JavaScript, and I'm just rendering it using React. So I will just explain it how it works. So like the game has two components. So this is the menu bar, and this is the play arena. And okay, so we have this play arena. I'll just tell you how it works. So I'll just directly I just okay. So I'll just give it some spaces. I think I should already have done it, but anyways, it is like 2 years old code. So don't judge me. It looks really bad. Anyway, so what we are doing in this function, we are creating a game. I mean, getting the game object. So if you are familiar with OOPS concept, you might be knowing, class, object, and instance. I won't be explaining that, but you get it. So this is instance of a class, a game, and so we have the game here. We have this class here. I will just explain how it works. So we are getting the game object, for instance, whatever you call it, and just skip all these parts. And what we are doing is we are looping through the rows and columns. So suppose we have 10 rows and 10 columns, then we will render the 2D array. If you have, like, I think you might have, like, now, like, how to render a 2D array or something, n cross n cross m structure. So we just rendered the whole UI here. You can just see. I will just show you the elements. These are the, so we in the table we have tr. So trs are the rows, okay, and we have tds, and tds are the cells. So you are getting is row and columns we have got, and we are just setting the key, which is very important in React. So just skip it. And we have this data list thing. You can Google it. What is data list? So you can data list is just this. If you write it like this, then you see this data bomb and data sur. So data sur is like surrounding. So data bomb is 0. 0 means we don't have bomb here, but data bomb 1 means bomb is there. So it is like true and false value. Data bomb true is 1 is true and 0 is false. And data surrounding is, I'm missing it. So what is it? 4, 3. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so leave it. I will just explain the code here. So we have data bomb and surrounding. I think, okay, so surrounding means the amount of the mines surrounding the bomb. That is our data surrounding. So I think I have forgotten after 2 years of creating this game. So yeah, I recently told you what this game object is. So we have this game utils. So if you are familiar with singleton concept, so I don't know. So singleton means you only have to create only one instance of a class. So this function, what it will do is it will create an object of this class game, and it will assign it to game. Okay, and on the first call it will assign the game variable, and it will be not undefined. It will be some object. And like if you do the next game call, or 10 game calls or 50 game calls, it will return a single game object. So that is it. And we have this game. Okay, so this is our game class. So it it has this constructor which takes the rows and columns and difficulty. So difficulty has 10 levels. So this is 1 difficulty and this is 10 difficulty. I mean the value here. I think, okay. Yeah. So we have min max. So currently easy value is 10 and God value is 1. Okay. So what happens is the difficulty will come as 10 or 1. So 10 means easy. So 10 by 10 is 1, and 1 by 10 is 0.1. So God mode or difficulty, highest difficulty is 0.1 difficulty and easiest is 1 difficulty. And I will just tell you why I am taking this difficulty part. And I will just show you. So we have this game here. So if the difficulty is easy, we have very less amount of bombs. If the difficulty increases, the amount of bombs also decreases. I mean increases. So how we are doing is we have created a bias number generator. So bias number generator is just a random number generator, nothing else. So random number generator means it is a function. It will give you random value, but we are attaching some bias to it. So what I am saying is I need a number between 0 and a number between 1. So a number between 1 and 0 will be either 0 or either 1, nothing else. And I am saying to bias it against 0. Okay, so anyway, so it will be like it will try to generate a bias number closer to 0, which is 0. And this is the influence, how much influence I want it to be. So this is the bias number generator. Okay, so 0 and 1 will be so I'll be honest here. I copied this code from Stack Overflow and I had no idea about Gauss or anything. So this is the Gauss function, and like plain old math and all these. I was weak at math, so don't judge me here. And you can Google it how it works. I read like 2 years back, but I don't know how it works now. So you are getting like we are passing 0 and 1, and we are biasing it against 0 and giving some influence value. If the value is 1, then it will have um, least 0 means not a bomb, 1 means a bomb. So if I want to bias it against 0, then and the influence is 1, then it will be you're getting how it works, bias and influence. Okay, yeah. So this is only what we are doing here, and we are adding this on click property. So handle cell click on when the cell is when the cell is clicked, then we are showing a notification which is toast. I use some library, but I might have created it anyway. So so we are checking the attribute if it has the data bomb property. Uh, then what we are doing, you get it. So what we are doing is, if it is a bomb, then just show the notification it is a bomb, sorry, the game is over. Or if it is not a bomb, we are just revealing the cell number. So you can see here, when if it is not a bomb, sorry, it was a bomb. Let me just decrease the difficulty. If it is not a bomb, then we are just revealing the cell if it is a bomb, and then we are just showing, we are revealing all the cells and showing you stepped on a bomb, sorry. And yeah, that's the whole game logic, nothing else. And so this is the main core thing. Yeah, so this is the get surrounding mind. So what we are doing is, we are taking the I and j, the current position of the cell, and we are checking the in the whole direction, left, right, up, right, up, down. We are just uh, having a sum and adding all the values to it and just returning it. It might have some bug, but I wrote it 2 years back and didn't look back, never what do you say, rewrote it or anything. So it might have a lot of bugs. So don't judge me for anything. You can also judge me. Whatever, I'm not going to do anything. So, anyways, so what we are doing is, so this constructor generates this grid, and this grid generates the random number and pushes it to the grid, which is the board. So this is the whole logic of this game. Nothing much, just plain old JavaScript. You can also try creating it. If you need help, you can take the help of my code, or you can directly ping me on LinkedIn, Twitter, or anywhere, or comment down on the video. I will try to help you. And thanks a lot. And if you have any video recommendation, directly comment it down, and I'll be happy to help. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.